it's kind of hard to tell, but I put 2 lights out of the 3. I still have that old fluorescent, but if you were standing in here, you'd notice a difference. Pardon the mess, I'm making some cabinets and rearranging. There's a lot of shadow from this fluorescent one. Again, might be hard to see by camera. Whereas with these, it's all like bright, crisp, clean light. The only thing that's catching shadows is where the lights don't reach. I'll probably end up adding 2 more of these, or maybe getting some bigger ones.
This light is crazy bright. It's awesome because it has the, you can adjust where the light goes. As you can see, that just brightened up my stairs a little bit because I don't have the light on up there. I prefer to keep it down a little bit so you go a little bit darker. But if one light faces down, then all the others, you can move to wherever you'd like. Same thing with this one. You can push it up. It'll project the light further out. Make the rest of my basement nice and bright. This one, same thing. Push that up.